Herbal Remedy for noisy stomach. Ingredients: 1. Scent leaves, Ocimum gratissimum. The Yoruba call it efinrin, unchawu in Igbo language, dadoya in Hausa language. 2. Lime, citrus lemon. The Yoruba call it osanwewe. The Igbo call it olomankilisi, lemune isami in Hausa language. Preparation: use 1 glass cup of lime to squeeze out water from the scent leaves. Then sieve it. Store it in a plastic bottle. Then store in a refrigerator. Dosage: take 4 spoons morning, afternoon, and night. Note that this medication is not to be taken by pregnant women. Causes of stomach noises: 1. Internal blockage. 2. Food allergies or food intolerances. 3. Infections. 4. Diarrhea. 5. Hunger. 6. Irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). 7. Celiac disease. Celiac disease which is triggered by gluten. 8. Crohn's disease. 9. Gas movement in the stomach. 10. Indigestion. 11. Stress. 12. Ulcer. 13. Gastrointestinal problem. 14. Hernia. 15. Food poisoning. 16. Cancer. 17. Eating too quickly. 18. Overeating. Eating gassy foods. 20. Eating acidic foods. 21. Warm. 22. Normal digestion. Note that at times the rumbling sound from your stomach is normal part of your digestive system, and usually there is no cause for concern. Other ways to stop noisy stomach: 1. Eat. Stomach growling is often your body signaling that you are hungry or you have low sugar. 2. Eat and chew slowly. 3. Don't eat too much. 4. Drink enough water. 5. Relieve stress. Eat less gassy foods. Eat fewer acidic foods. Eat less sugar. Thank you very much for watching. I would like to know where you are watching from and read from you in the comment section. And also, if you find this video useful, please don't keep it to yourself. Share it with family and friends on all social media platforms. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.